This banana cake you've eaten sugar-free and gluten-free. 2 cups of oat flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, set aside, mix it and set aside. Blend dates with a bit of water, about 6 dates. For sweetness, that's your sugar, and 3 bananas, mash it beautifully. Add dates to it and add yogurt, soya yogurt, 1 cup. Psyllium husk I use to thicken it, 1 teaspoon baking soda. If you don't mind eggs, just instead of psyllium husk, add the baking soda. I add a little bit coconut oil to the wet ingredients and mix it both together. Stir it well. Add nuts, add raisins, absolutely super delicious. And I use 8-inch tin for this one. Bake it for about 55 to 60 minutes. And I promise you that when you've baked it, when you've tried it, it's absolutely delicious. In our house, there's only 2 of us and it goes very fast. I do it every single week, sometimes even twice a week. That is the most healthiest cake ever. Try it, believe me, follow me for more recipe below.